Breaking news to my content creators out there. Are you guys stuck between 2 and 400 views? If you are, this one thing I'm going to tell you about will fix that. So guys, do me a favor. Just double tap that screen for me. And truly, you guys might want to save this for later and just refer back to it. Is this one thing I'm going to bring up now? I'm telling you, I was caught in this. I was caught between the 2 and 400 range. That's the testing phase. So I was constantly failing TikTok's testing phase until I changed this one thing. Guys, I want to share this with fellow content creators because, guys, we all suffer from this one time or another. So here it is, guys. The one thing you need to learn and master is people, stopping that scroll, guys, right? That's what's happening. You're not getting the watch time, so people are just scrolling by. So guys, what it is you need to come up with good, very good hooks and subhooks to get people to stop that scroll, get people's attention so they're watching your good content. And guys, people love number hooks. So if you say these 2 things will make you financially free or these 3 things will increase your views, go a long way. People love that. And the key thing is, guys, is you're fixing a pain point that people have, which is views for content creators. So guys, I hope you guys found this helpful, and I'm always coming out with useful content. So guys, if you haven't already, give me a follow. And also guys, if you want to learn more tricks like this, and if you want to earn money online, just type yes in the comments and I'll gladly share all my information with you. Know your value.